Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Black+Decker Li2000 lithium-ion battery on the cordless screwdriver holds a charge for up to 18 months. 3-position handle of the rechargeable screwdriver lets you work in tight spaces. Spindle lock allows manual screw driving and greater control for the powered screwdriver. Forward and reverse switch for easy screw driving and screw removal. Lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. Metabo HPT DB3DL2 Hitachi Power Tools has renamed to Metabo HPT, same great tools, with only a new name. Covered by Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty and 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty. Powered by a 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery for fade-free power, less weight and 3x the total battery life of traditional batteries. Dual position handle converts from straight to pistol grip for maximum flexibility. Dewalt DCF680N1, the versatile Black+Decker light driver cordless electric screwdriver combines two tools you always need around the home, a cordless screwdriver and rechargeable flashlight. The Black+Decker screwdriver is great for hanging decor, assembling furniture, and more. It's also a bright flashlight when you need it. Black+Decker BDCSFL20C, the cordless screwdriver features motion activation variable speed and reversing control for precise fastening control. Motion-activated variable speed 0 to 430 RPM of the rechargeable screwdriver is made for fastening into wood, plastic, and light-gauge metal. The powered screwdriver allows illumination in confined areas without shadowing. Battery charge status on tool notifies when to charge packs. Dewalt DCF680N2, the cordless screwdriver features motion activation variable speed and reversing control for precise fastening control. Motion-activated variable speed 0 to 430 RPM of the rechargeable screwdriver is made for fastening into wood, plastic, and light-gauge metal. Adjustable 2-position handle of the powered screwdriver allows for operation in either inline or pistol grip. Allows control when completing light fastening applications.